Now I'm going to be talking about rules to follow when it comes to shooting couples. You're going to watch many videos and many instructors talk about posing couples and do this and don't do that, and even I mentioned a few things to do and not to do. But the main thing that matters the most is the image expressing an emotion that the couple likes. Because the images are mainly for the couple, and if they like the image, it doesn't matter if you broke every single rule of the book. So don't be so tedious when it comes to rules and like, oh, maybe they shouldn't look at each other, they should look across from each other, or maybe the hand shouldn't be like this, or maybe the posture shouldn't be like this. There's so many things that we break when we're shooting couples that lead to a good picture, and then you go and ask yourself, well, there's no rules, what do we do? And all I can really suggest is take a lot of images, flow pose, change things up constantly in every image, and then go through them and find the one that worked. Because while these rules are good to follow, a lot of times you'll see that when you broke a rule, you got a better image. So the rule is look at the images that you're taking, see what's working, and change what's not working using flow posing and tips that are suggested to you from all these different instructors to talk about this subject. And you'll get better images that way, and you get a better result. So don't follow rules to the teeth, just break them and see that there's no real, you have to do this or you're gonna get a bad image. That doesn't really exist. Okay, thanks you guys, and see you guys in the next section.